Hi guys, in this video we are going to talk about nominal and effective interest rate. So what is nominal? Nominal interest rate is the rate that is quoted in the question. Actually, in the simplest manner, it is the rate that is quoted in the question. So what about the effective? The effective interest rate is the annual interest rate that you will receive once compounding has been taken into an account. For us to compare interest rates with different compounding periods, guys, it is often useful to convert a nominal interest rate into effective interest rate. And mind you, guys, I hope you are taking notes. The effective interest rate is always higher than the nominal interest rate. Okay, so let's get to the formula. The formula, guys, it's given as 1 plus I effective is equals to 1 plus I norm, which is nominal interest, divided by the compounding periods to the power of m. You can use this formula when you want to calculate when you want to convert nominal to effective interest. So if we were to find the effective interest rate, the simplest way, guys, is to make I effective the subject of the formula. You can just take 1 to the other side. So we could just say I effective is equals to 1 plus I norm divided by the compounding period to the power of m minus 1. So this will help us to get the I effective. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get to the equations then. All right, number 1 says convert an interest rate of 15% per annum compounded monthly to an effective interest rate. Convert an interest rate of 15% per annum compounded monthly to an effective interest rate. Right, so what they are actually saying here, we are given the quoted interest, which is 15%. So we have to change that I. Remember that this is an interest, so this is I norm. You have to change it to decimal. So 15%, you have to divide by 100. You're going to have 0.15. Ne? What we are looking for, it's an I effective in this case, because they said calculate that you have to convert this to an effective interest rate. So it's I effective. We are going to use this formula. So it's gonna be 1 plus I effective, which is equals to 1 plus I norm divided by m divided to the power of m. So we are given, what are we given there? We are given I norm is 0.15. So we need to make I effective the subject. So this means this formula will apply in this case. So we are going to say I effective is equals to 1 plus 0.15. Since it's compounded monthly, this is a compounding period. It's compounded what? Monthly. Remember that when it's compounded monthly, you divide by 2. So to the power of 2 subtracted by 1. So let's punch our calculator. When you punch our calculator, what are you getting? We are getting 0.1608. Then, so you multiply this by 100. Remember, it's a decimal. So multiply by 100. When you multiply by 100, we're going to have 16 and 0.8%. That's how you can convert a nominal to an effective interest rate. So we will close by a second question. Number 2, convert an effective interest rate of 17% per annum to a nominal interest rate compounded daily. Remember, when they say compounded daily, that means the compounding period will be 365. Daily is 365. So we are going to use that formula, 1 plus I effective is equals to 1 plus I norm divided by m to the power of m. So in other words, we're given the effective interest rate as what? IEF as what? As 0, so when we change 17%, divide by 100, you're going to get 0,17 actually. So we are going to have 1 plus 0,17, which is equals to 1 plus, we don't know the I norm, is the one that we're looking for, divided by 365, the compounding period, to the power of 365. So what we could do now, guys, is to take out 365, in both, meaning that both sides we are going to say 365 root 365 in this case here, as well as here, sorry for that, as well as here. So what will happen, this and this will get rid of this. We will cancel the root 365. So we are going to be left with 1 plus I norm divided by 365. So remember that we have root 365. What is 1 plus 0,17? Let's just put it here. Let's just say 1 plus 0,17. Okay, so from here we can take 1 to the other side. So we are going to have root 365, 1 plus 0,17. When you take 1, it will be minus 1, which is equals to I norm divided by 365. So I can multiply both sides by 365. Even here, multiply by 365. So let me put this into a bracket. So we can see that this and this, they cancel. So you can punch this in your calculator, I norm. So when you punch this in your calculator, what are you getting? Hope you're getting 0,157037521. Right? Don't round off your answer in the middle of a step. Only round off your answer. Only round off your final answer. So when you multiply by 100 this into 2 decimal places, it will be 15,70%. It will be 15,70%. So that's how you can calculate the I norm. Hope you find this video useful, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and like. You only subscribe once, and remember, we love you.